My wife had spent a lot of time on the garden, and she kind of filled it up a little bit and was looking to continue to do some planting of flowers and designs. And she said, "Ooh, look, I got plant holders. I got ones around the house." So she started doing her garage shopping and estate sale shopping and found some planters. Ended up picking up some nice wood ones that matched and found some plastic ones that she took and painted.
I buy my plants mostly the discounted ones. They look really sad when I get them, but I like the fact that I can bring them back to life, you know? I just love the vibrant colors.
I just felt that she had a nice touch, a green touch, and the garden looked great. So I said, I want to put her in the contest, see what happens. And she ended up winning, and by surprise.
Yeah, he did tell me that he had told everybody. I don't have Facebook, so I don't know anything about what goes on there.
But the best part was when I told her, guess what you just won? You get to buy some more plants.
Yeah, there goes all the money back in the dirt.